Hey you guys, Wendy Emerson here. I am practicing my chocolate chip cookie skillet cake recipe again. I posted it over the weekend, made it with my daughter-in-law, and I'm practicing it again because I want to do this at my shows in May. So I'm actually using our 10-inch non-stick skillet, okay? And the cool thing about this is once it goes in the oven, I can take the handle off so I don't need hot pad holders. That's our new cookware design. So what my son and I did, we just made a half of a Tollhouse cookie recipe, okay? And there's no spray, there's no grease, there's no nothing in this. So I literally am just gonna put my dough in, and I'm gonna throw this in the oven, and then I'm gonna come back when we take it out. I'm gonna show you guys how it just perfectly comes out of the skillet. So literally, this is so much easier than scooping cookies, okay? Like totally. So this is all, that's all I'm gonna do. Okay, just throw it in there. There's no grease in here, like I said. This is gonna go in the oven. I'm gonna put it in and take the handle off. And it's gonna cook for 23 minutes. See, the handle comes right off. 23 minutes, 375. And we're gonna come back here in probably about 25 after I take it out, and I'm gonna, hey Lisa Marie, I haven't seen you in ages, I hope you're doing well. Come back in 23 minutes when we take the cookie cake out of the oven so you can see what it looks like. And so we'll see you back here in about 20-ish minutes to see the cookie cake when it comes out of the oven. Bye guys. Okay, you guys, 25 minutes has passed, and the cookie cake is out of the oven. And I keep calling this a skillet, but it's actually our 10-inch nonstick fry pan. This pan is dishwasher safe. You just pop the handle off and throw it in the dishwasher. It is metal utensil safe. I wish you could smell this cookie cake because it smells so good.
Well, I can.
You can use metal utensils in our new nonstick cookware. Like I said, it goes in the dishwasher. And with the handles coming off, it just makes it super easy for storage. So I'm going to, when I flip, it's a two-step process because I'm going to flip it onto a plate and then I'm going to flip it back onto like a prettier platter for presentation. So if you're just joining me, here it is out of the oven. It's amazing. Okay. And then I'm going to show you what the pan looks like after the cookie cake comes out. So let's do this. Hold on. I need something this, I need you guys to be able to see this, okay? So, let me just move this. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that okay. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna take this off. It's easier to flip it without the handle on it. So I didn't loosen it, I didn't run anything around the edge, I did nothing, okay? So we're gonna flip this like so. Okay. Stage one. Now, I want it to be on my pretty platter, so we're going to flip it one more time. So there's my cookie cake made in the 10-inch non-stick fry pan. Now I want to show you. This is still hot. I just love these removable handles. So I didn't put any sort of spray or grease or anything like that in it. It's just the Tollhouse cookie recipe. And, you know, it's got butter in it and stuff like that. So it just sort of like greases itself. So you don't have to add anything to this. Hey, Lauren, how are you? So this is like the easiest thing you can make. And the 10-inch skillet, 10-inch fry pan, I'll get it right one of these days. You can get this month for $48, okay? This is a $120 skillet, and if I just sent you a couple catalogs and you collected $200 in orders, you could get this for 60% off for 48 bucks. It's got a lifetime guarantee. Like, this is amazing. So again, this cookie cake, we're gonna eat this hot. Like, most of my friends wait 10 minutes. I literally just took it out of the oven, waited 2 minutes, and went live. You don't even really have to let it cool. So, you can also do this in the 12-inch. Nonstick Skillet for a bigger, obviously a bigger cake, but it's just me and the boys. So we're gonna eat this. So if you have questions, let me know. If you would like to pass some catalogs and get this 10-inch fry pan for 48 bucks this month, all you gotta get is $200 in orders. So Lauren, I can send you catalogs. You can take them to work and just, you know, get this for 48 bucks. It's pretty awesome. Now, we're gonna go ahead and eat this cookie cake. Let me just show you this one more time. Like, that literally was just done in a fry pan. So easy, so easy. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoy your dessert as much as we're about to enjoy ours. So have a great night, guys. Bye.